Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with an unboxing video of OnePlus's new phone, the 6T. So this is super cool and exciting for me because I've never used a OnePlus phone before. I've been very much against them. They had security issues, other concerns, but this one is the first mainstream device that OnePlus has made that's made it into carrier storefronts in the United States. Compliments of T-Mobile. From what I'm hearing, it's supposed to be able to be used with Verizon as well if you get one of the whitelisted unlocked devices. But as far as storefronts go, you can only walk into a T-Mobile store and buy one, as far as carriers go. So that's what's one of the cool things about this phone. So before I open it up, let's look on the back. Of course, it's LTE capable. It's got the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which is the same it's been in all the other flagship series Android devices, the Pixel, the Note, the S9 Plus, the whole 9 yards. It's got a 16 and 20 megapixel dual camera setup on the rear. It's got a 3700 milliamp battery, which is really good. The only thing in the Android world that's higher than that on these mainstream devices is the Note 9, which has 4000. It has fast charging capability. It doesn't have wireless charging. So that's one of the things, the trade-offs they had to do, but they were able to get the in-screen fingerprint sensor, which is not advertised on the box. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, like I said, 128 gigabytes of storage, and it has the Oxygen OS, which is based on Android Pie. So it is Android Pie, but it's just their own version of it, essentially. But I've heard it's good, so I'm interested to get to use it. And this is the OnePlus 6T in all its glory. Now, this does have an all-metal body because it doesn't have to worry about wireless charging. The newer ones, that's one of the reasons why they have the glass backs on them and they don't have the all-metal unibody design anymore, because the metal backing keeps it from being able to use wireless charging. Since this one doesn't have wireless charging, it's solid through and through. It's all metal. It's really cool. It's got the OnePlus logo there. Now, got the dual 16 and 20 megapixel camera set up there, the flash. And then over here, you got the volume buttons and you got the mute switch right here, which is really cool. That's one feature that I really wish more Android phones would incorporate into them. Apple has it, of course, which is really nice. You hit the mute switch, you're good to go, but none of the Android phones have. So this one, you actually have the sound mute switch over there, which is really cool. And then the power button. So, very nice. It looks like the SIM tray is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the power button and get this started up. There we go. Hold it for a second. I'll set this over to the side so it doesn't mess with the screen. Let's see what else is in the box. Now, one cool thing about the OnePlus 6T, that I found this out while I was in the store, and this is one reason I'm excited about doing the unboxing, because you never know what you're going to get. Well, with the OnePlus 6T, it comes with a case already in the box, and it comes with the screen protector installed. So this right here, as you can see, if you can see, it has a screen protector already installed on it. So that's really cool. So you don't have to worry about that, which one also means you don't have to worry about wasting the money buying products when you're inside the store. So you already have a screen protector, and inside here, there's a case. So you get the case, here's the documentation. Go ahead and set that off to the side. Maybe there's more than documentation in there, let's look. Nope, just a bunch of documentation. Maybe a sticker. Nope, that's a SIM card. So the SIM card comes in there. Very cool. I imagine there's probably a SIM ejector tool in here too. Might help if I put that down. All right, yep, there we go. SIM ejector tool. Called it. So here's the case that it comes with, and it's just a regular smoke-colored TPU case. But what's great is this and the screen protector. Let's go ahead and put it on there. Will have you in business until you can get one. There you go. Take that off. Which is great because that means you don't have to buy the $40, $50 screen protector they have, and you don't have to buy the $30, $40, $50 case that they have. You can walk out the store, you're ready to go, already with the case and screen protector, and you can go buy one online. Look at the reviews, get one that you want. Now, one thing I do need to point out, here's the speakers, the USB-C port on the bottom. As you can see, there's no 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So they ditched that this iteration. So to make up for that, down there in the box, you can see they added a dongle. So you can use the USB-C to 3.5 millimeter dongle converter. This is a very large power brick. I'm actually very surprised at this. It's 5 volts and 4 amps, so it has the latest and greatest, fastest quick charging, so you can get this sucker charged up in a hurry. So that's cool. Here's our USB-C cable, ta-da! So you can charge it. It's cool. It's got a little plastic, little rubber cap thing on the end there. Very nice indeed. All right, so hi there. So this is the OnePlus 6T. Now I don't think it's going to let me set up the fingerprint sensor thing while I'm in here. Probably not. I'll do that on the next video. I'll show you all the fingerprint sensor in the next video when I do the review. But overall impressions, it's solid. It's got this full metal body design that I'm really digging. It's got a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy, but it's definitely not on the light side. It feels like a premium device. As you can see, it does have the notch up top there, but it's as far as notches go, it seems to be fairly unintrusive. It's more like a little divot that's cut out instead of, you know, a full circle, full half circle, full square. It's definitely nothing compared to the Pixel, thank goodness. But it's also meaningful because it has a little camera there, very much like the Essential phone. So I'm going to go ahead and get to work on this and have a go at it and get it set up so I can test it out and do my initial review. So again, this is the OnePlus 6T, and if you're interested, over at T-Mobile, they've got a good trade-in deal right now where there's certain devices they have listed that you can get $300 trade-in credit. I traded in a Moto Z2 Force and still got the $300 trade-in credit. So it's a really good deal if you got something laying at home you want to get rid of. But otherwise, not a plug for T-Mobile, just if you happen to want to get one, it's a good deal, I think, for me. Anyway, again, that's OnePlus 6T. This is my unboxing video. Please feel free to ask any questions. Leave them in the comment section. I'll get back with you, and I'll have my initial review on this in the next couple of days, and I'll take some pictures too because I'm off this weekend, so it'll give me some time to spend with the device and fill it out. So that's all I got, and I'll see you all next time.